Good morning once again. My name is Peter Tolola, and today we'll be treating questions on mole concept. Now, this question is very cheap, very cheap. If you're a science student, you will testify with me that this question is a very cheap one. But there are some analysis I want to bring out briefly. All right, let's get on to business. Under mole concept, they said, how many moles does a balloon filled with 10 grams of hydrogen have? From my own personal conception, I say one of the most popular formula in chemistry is number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. I can't count the number of times we use this formula in chemistry, especially during the days of electrolysis. Z is equals to Q over NF, where your Z is number of moles. So I always tell students those days when I was very active in tutorials, I tell students to use M over MM is equals to Q over NF. So we use this formula quite a lot of times. Number of moles. Sometimes we could say reactive mass, sometimes we could say active mass. So just use mass over molar mass. Now, we're looking for the number of moles. What is the mass? The mass is 10 gram. 10 gram of what is the molar mass? Every element compound have their unique molar mass. Now the molar mass of what? Hydrogen. If you write hydrogen as 1 is wrong. Hydrogen cannot exist in the free state. Hydrogen is diatomic. In fact, most of your gene, most of those elements that has the surface gene, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas. Likewise, your halogens. These are some of the concepts I want to bring out. Likewise, your halogen, like your chlorine, bromine, iodine, they exist in the diatomic state, except when they are combined. For example, now hydrogen chloride, HCl. There are reasons behind this. Again, so if you want to get the molar mass of hydrogen here, you write hydrogen. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1, so that is 2 open bracket 1, which is equals to 2. So that means the molar mass is what? 2. So automatically answer is what? 5 moles. Straight up. So the main bone of contention is this aspect. Students should identify element or compound that exists in the diatomic state. Again, our chemistry is very sweet. That's why I call it Chemi Sweet. Feel free to reach out to me on any platform, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. If there's any aspect of chemistry you want us to discuss or analyze together. Bam.